Now let's explore each of the types of fossil fuels individually. First, let's talk about coal. Coal is a highly flammable substance that needs to be mined from under the earth. There are two ways coal is extracted: surface mining and subsurface mining. Surface mining, or strip mining, extracts coal from within 30 meters of the surface, while subsurface mining extracts coal from deep underground. Subsurface mining can be extremely dangerous because coal, while being extremely flammable, also releases harmful dust that can cause lung disease and cancer in the people mining it. Subsurface mining also has serious environmental issues. Deep mines are typically below the water table, and water needs to be pumped out constantly to keep the mine shafts from flooding. After the mine is abandoned, water floods the mine and reacts with the coal and other minerals to produce sulfuric acid. That acid, along with lead, arsenic, and other toxic metals, seep into the local streams and rivers. This acid mine drainage is extremely harmful to local environments and not only contaminates water, but also surrounding soils. Surface mining is a lot safer, but also comes with its own environmental issues and hazards. Surface mining requires removal of tons and tons of soil and rock, called overburden, to expose the coal deposits. A way to do this is to remove the tops of mountains, clearing the overburden down from the top. This is a relatively efficient way to extract the coal. However, the overburden needs to be removed. Overburden is extremely heavy and cannot be moved very far, so it's typically deposited into the surrounding valleys. This mountaintop removal not only changes the topography and ecosystem of the mountain, but also fundamentally changes the topography of valleys, and therefore the streams and floodplains around the mountains. Coal burning also poses major environmental issues. Coal is compacted carbon, and the burning of coal releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Coal burning also releases other harmful atmospheric pollutants like mercury, sulfur oxides, and nitrogen oxides. Sulfur oxides in particular can cause acid precipitation, decreasing the pH of rainwater from around 5.6 down to around 2.1, which is a pH similar to lemon juice. Coal mining is very economically important in the United States, and the US has a quarter of the world's coal supplies. These supplies could last another 200 years at the current rate of consumption. However, the environmental and human health issues posed by coal mining and burning cannot be ignored, and shifting away from it is key for a sustainable future. However, it's also imperative that the people who rely on jobs in coal mining to feed their families and to make ends meet be provided with opportunities for an equitable alternative source of income and employment.